Living in Thousand Oaks and surrounding areas means enjoying breathtaking views, sunny days, and endless adventures on the road. But a chipped or cracked windshield can put a damper on all that fun. That's where Thousand Oaks Mobile Auto Glass comes in. We're your one-stop shop for all your auto glass needs, serving Thousand Oaks, Simi Valley, Moorpark, Camarillo, Calabasas, and Woodland Hills. We understand that a damaged windshield is an inconvenience. That's why we offer convenient mobile service. Our expert technicians come to you wherever you are at your home, office, or even while you're at work. Whether you need a quick chip repair or a complete windshield replacement, our team uses only the highest quality materials and guarantees their work. We'll get your car back on the road safely and looking great in no time. Don't let a cracked windshield ruin your California dream. Get a free quote today. Visit our website at www.thousandoaksmobileautoglass.com or call us at 805-322-8773. Thousand Oaks Mobile Auto Glass, your clear view to adventure.